Dear students, we will be talking about the complete process and also about the expectation which is expected from service entry candidate. हम लोग पूरे कंप्लीट प्रोसेस को भी बताएंगे और आपसे क्या उम्मीद रखी जाती है वो बताएंगे। इसके लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि आप एक सिरे से हर चीज को समझ लें और उसके बाद इन एवरी डिफरेंट चैप्टर यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी एवरीथिंग सिस्टमैटिक. It will help you become a complete person, a complete version, and that will be the best for you. So, this lecture is also applicable to general students. उन लोग के लिए भी है, पर service entry इसलिए कह रहे हैं. Why? Because service entry. Because in service entry you have already given n number of years to the armed forces. You have lived in that cantonment. You have got an idea of what the climate is all about, what kind of environment they have, what kind of discipline they have, what kind of system they have, what kind of expectation they have. It is very different. Similarly, if the child is there of a service person, maybe his father is a service person, mother is a service person, these people are also expected that they will behave more better than these citizens. Because if after this experience also they are showing poor trainability, अगर उनकी performance थोड़ी कमजोर है, उनके लहजा, उनके manners, उनकी sense of approach, उनकी sense of updation कमजोर है, तो they will not be very happy with it. Because if you had a good environment and yet you did not learn, so then how is it going to promise that you will do very well in the armed forces later after training? So इसलिए trainability बहुत जरूरी है. There are many people who are very rigid. They think they are the wisest person. They argue with every person. They have only one system. They fight with everyone and blame the fight on the others. They play the game of mental manipulation. Unfortunately, is unfortunately wrong. Because in an organization, whether it is of two people or whether it is of many, manipulations over a long period of time only backfires. वो वापस ही आता है और वो एक विवाद का कारण बन जाता है, वो एक समस्या का कारण बन जाता है और वो संस्था को प्रभावित करता है. It affects the organizational function. So please don't be rigid, be trainable, be flexible. Nobody is perfect. And we are not expecting that, but you should be flexible enough to say sorry, flexible enough to adapt the new things, and flexible enough to learn those new things, and flexible enough to evolve to a new person. So remember, this trainability is applicable for everything. Whether you do anything in SSB आगे चल के, और तभी अगर आपसे कोई गलती हुई हो तो आप बिल्कुल कहेंगे कि सर, I did not do that much SRTs, or I did this mistake in the GTO, I wish I would have done it better. This kind of self-analysis, not too much crime again, I'm not saying too much crime, but certain amount of self-analysis is important to show that you are ready to be trainable. You are trainable and you are ready to be flexible. ये याद रखिएगा. So let's go ahead for these few tips. In this section, particularly the service persons, I feel they're sitting in the borders. Unfortunately, they're not aware. कई लोग जानते नहीं हैं और जानते हैं तो वेग रूप से जानते हैं, कभी भी उसका आभास नहीं करते. They don't prepare themselves. The only thing which is going to help these people who are desiring to become officer after serving n number of years as soldiers or other entries, it is very important for them to please listen and to please adopt and please self-analyze and thereafter improve and work on improvement of your personality. व्यक्तित्व आपका है, personality is yours. So if you will not analyze where you are weak, suppose you are weak in communication, improve it. Don't say उसको छोड़ो बाकी बताओ. No, improve that. Communication is important, very very important. Second, thinking कमजोर है तो सुनो क्या है, क्यों है सोच. What is the thinking process? You will get it and improve on it. चीजों को सकारात्मक देखो, see logically, see practically, see solution based. तो थिंकिंग सुधार. इसी तरीके से अगर आपका डिसीजन मेकिंग नहीं हो पाता, आप डरते हो, आप दूसरे के ऊपर भागते हो, सो इम्प्रूव इट. दैट डजंट मीन योर डिसीजन शुड बी एरोगेंट, कि आपने बस बोल दिया सुन लो. नो, डिसीजन शुड बी वाइज, डिसीजन शुड बी प्रैक्टिकल, डिसीजन शुड बी रेलेवेंट टू द सिचुएशन, परिस्थिति के अनुसार. तो अगर आपकी डिसीजन मेकिंग अच्छी हो गई, ये 3 पहलू आपने काम कर लिए, उसके बाद आता है लोगों के साथ व्यवहार. आर्म फोर्सेस इज अ यूनिट, इट्स अ फैमिली, इट्स एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ मेनी मेंबर्स, एंड डिसिप्लिन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जिसमें एक दूसरे के प्रति आदर, एक दूसरे के प्रति सद्भाव नितांत आवश्यक है. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर ईच अदर, you're going to fight like cats and dogs. We are not looking forward to that. We want you to respect each other, mutually cooperate with each other. That is very important from the armed forces people. Then we also expect you to learn to respect your seniors, because that is the entire organization. There are some people who are always criticizing people who are better than them, or every person for that matter. This is unfortunate. So don't be critical. It is going to be very, very harmful for you. It will bounce back, and people will also not like you at all. Why do you criticize others? Because you live in megalomania. ये एक मानसिक बीमारी है. ये मेगालोमैनिया एक बीमारी होती है जिसमें आप अपने आप को श्रेष्ठ समझते हो, चाहे उसके पीछे 5 गुंडे हो, चाहे उसके पीछे थोड़ी दौलत हो, चाहे उसके पीछे कोई भी ऐसी सोच हो जो आपको नकारात्मक करती है. You remember in the college, whenever we collect with 4-5 friends and all of them are with hockey stick, do you feel we are powerful? Yes, you remember that. Many a times we used to have some small fight and we used to go to a friends, चलो यार चलते हैं, उन्होंने बोला लाओ यार हॉकी ले लो, and you know you feel powerful at that point. It is childish. मैं जानता हूँ वो बचकाना है, और होती है. There are 5 people going in a motorcycle with 2 people sitting in each. Have you ever seen them behave? They behave as if they are the power. So these kind of things do happen. But you should be wise not to get carried away by the emotions. Similarly, आप लोगों को अपनी बुद्धिमानी हमेशा सक्रिय रखनी है, क्योंकि बुद्धिमानी आपका सबसे अच्छा दोस्त. Your wisdom is your best friend. So if you will remain balanced, you will remain wise, you will remain intelligent, you will be observant, and you will be reacting right, you will do well. So let's start with this process, and God bless you. You already had enough experience in the armed forces. I'm sure you will understand. Every kind of people are there. Good, bad, funny, cunning, clever. But you have to mind your business with the right approach. So that unfortunately, even the cunning will have to agree that you are balanced. Even the clever will agree, and the game of numbers will make you the best personality. अगर आप बैलेंस्ड है तो आपको चालाक भी, आपको चतुर भी, आपको मूर्ख भी, हर जन आपको सराहेगा एक लाजमी रूप से. And that is the time when you will win. So remember that. Anyway, now let's start with this. पहला दिन होता है रिपोर्टिंग सर्टिफिकेट. तो छोटी सी केयरलेसनेस आप लोग करते हो. You do this carelessness. You don't take the document which is wrong. You should keep every document spick and span ready. Make a checklist. Write all the documents which is required, check everything, put it properly in a file, tag it up properly, let the file look neat and clean, look organized, you will get good appreciation. अगर आप सर्टिफिकेट को छोड़ देते हो, नहीं ले जाते हो, there is a possibility if that certificate is very basic, they may send you back immediately. So you will lose all your preparation effort. मत ऐसा करिए. Be thorough with your certificates. Be thorough with all the letters which you have to take. Particularly service entries, they have to take NOCs and other things. They have to be ready with it. If you will not take it, there is a possibility you will be sent back and then speak ill of your carelessness. लापरवाह व्यक्ति अपने को भी दिक्कत में डालता है और सबको डालता है. अगर नेतृत्व में हो गया तो सबकी तबाही का कारण बनता है. So don't be careless, be wise, be alert. You will get an email, you will get procedural knowledge, identify well in advance before reporting to the SSB center 1 month in advance. Prepare all these documents so that you are ready and you don't have any doubts. कई बार सब्स्टिट्यूट सर्टिफिकेट्स भी मांगते हैं. They expect you to get substitute certificates. That is in case you don't have one, then you can develop and be ready with the other one. Because that is like affidavits also. For example, there are certain people who go through their name correction in their mark sheet, so they should have proper documentation which should show that their mark sheet has gone to relevant authority for correction. That includes an affidavit, that includes an authority letter, वो साथ में ले जानी होगी आपको. So remember all these kind of process and be ready with it, because it is very sad if you are coming back after the certificate. It speaks of carelessness, गैर जिम्मेदार में रवैया आपसे उम्मीद नहीं की जाती. Now we come down to officer intelligence ratio. Reasoning test is very important because reasoning says that you understand me and you are able to do accordingly. अब reasoning comes from learning also. आप एक क्वेश्चन करते हो, आप उसका तर्क सीखते हो. You learn the logic of how it is solved. Then you do another question, you learn a new logic. Then you learn another question, a new logic. And this way, by the end of say 1,000+ questions, you are full with a wisdom which is full of many logics. आपकी बुद्धि बढ़ चुकी होती है और ये आपके लाभप्रद होती है. This is going to be beneficial for you, because then you will be able to react to different situations and you will be able to apply the basic reasoning. That is why this test is given. The questions given here are both verbal, non-verbal. कुछ verbal भी दिए जाते हैं, कुछ non-verbal भी दिए जाते हैं. आपसे उम्मीद की जाती है कि आप दोनों अच्छे से करें. The moment you do all this properly, you are not only able to think in a broad fashion, but you are able to solve different logic. We have a complete chapter ready for this, which you have to study and you will learn from this. We are also coming with a workbook which you can use, and thereafter in the month of May, it will come there in the last of May, and you will be able to use it. It has been well compiled by officers who have been in the SSBs as well, who have been the champion officers in terms of achievements. So you will learn something out of it. It is being designed in such a way that it will also have content but also have practice session included. As a result of which you will do much better, much better. So I hope you understand that. But along with it, you should prepare your OIR test, do a lot of practice so that you become fluent और आपका दिमाग अच्छा चले. Out of this, you will get 2 tests, maybe 40-40 each, or 50-50 each, or 60-60 each, or whatever. They keep varying that. And by those OIR tests, if you regularly perform at the best of level, you will certainly be beneficial. People get 2 kind of criteria. If they perform 100%, they come into OIR 1, of course. But if they are little short, they come to OIR 2, sometimes little more short, OIR 3. Generally, candidates who are selected in the armed forces, which are most of them, are mostly from OIR 1 and 2, more from OIR 2 also. So the idea behind this is only to identify that if you are, suppose you get from OIR 1, this is something which I am giving you as a tip, very important tip, कि अगर आपके 100% रीजनिंग में आए तो कभी कभी ऐसे व्यक्तियों को गलती से मुगालते हो जाते हैं. They tend to live in an illusion that they are the best, so they argue a lot. कई बार कुछ लोगों को अगर तुलनात्मक, there are sometimes even people who are staying in a village area and they comparatively feel they are well read, they start feeling they are the top of the world and Bill Gates and everybody is down their feet, which is wrong. Anybody who's evolved has evolved to certain level and can always evolve further. But कई बार ऐसे लोग argument में बहुत पड़ते हैं. They tend to argue a lot because they feel that their knowledge is the king. They are the king. That is wrong. So don't get into arguments. If you get 100% reasoning, you should be flexible, you should be polite and not get into arguments neither in the group discussion with candidates. Be tactful also with the officer. Is it clear? Okay. So this is one tip which I have given you in OIR test. Yes, you will be having a complete session to learn. So you have to identify that you have to do well here, because if you get very poor score in OIR test, you will not be considered for selection. Nevertheless, let's go down to the second part. In screening, second part is PPDT, Picture Perception Discussion Test, where they show you a picture, tell you to observe it properly, they tell you to write marking in the picture properly according to your observation, then give a proper title, then write a story. Once you have done this process in a hall, then they will take you to one place where you are supposed to read out a story one by one in a group and thereafter discuss and come to a common story. This process was created to screen people and not to select randomly. In our time, we had no screening test, but now you guys have it because they feel that huge numbers are not worth consideration at all. So they use this process to filter many people. There are some people who argue a lot, there are some people who shout, there are some people who are very cunning, they are trying to play blame game on the others. There are some people who have critical tendencies, they are always criticizing. There are some people who are with negative thought process. There are some people who have no thought process. There are some people differently they are there. And these people, all these people, are the people who will be rejected. There are some people who try to dominate every proceedings. There are some people who are too shy. Now we need a balance. We don't want you to be too subdued. We don't want you to be too vociferous. Vociferous means loud. We want you to be in the balance. So if you are sensible, you are being logical, you are being assertive, not dominative, I think you are getting screened in. Of course, your OIR test marks will also be taken into consideration. Yaad rahe, during the screening, all the three officers, the psychologist identifies you with the help of story, the interviewer identifies you as a personality, the GTO identifies you as a behavior on your behavior pattern. Once you are identified, they pick this up. Suppose you are belligerent in your behavior, you are fighting with others, there is a possibility that the GTO may not recommend your case. If the interviewer finds that you stammer mane haklate ho, you feel half lost, you feel confused, then he may also say. But the psychologist who has already got a written proof, and if you have written a story which is negative, which is irrelevant, which is illogical, which is not matching what is shown to you, you have learned it from some place and written it down, then in that place the psychologist may also reject you. So all you've got to do is give a balanced performance. Remember, all the following chapters will open your mind to logic. Logic is the only way when a person will be able to understand each other. Logic is emotion free. Logic is confusion free. Logic is ego free. Logic is something which will always make you a very, very relevant person. Calm, composed, a good leader. So if you are logical, you will be appreciated. So remember this. Yes, you should have the tact how to handle. Now look at the picture which is shown. There are few SSRs, everybody is talking, and in the process, they see by your narration, your communication level. In the discussion, they see your behavior with the group, and of course, your story writing has already been analyzed. So if you fall into the right place, you have to do it. There are some people who play a flank post game. That is, they feel that their story, if they have made it as conclusive story, they are the winner. No. If you have been a service-central person, you know that everything has to come to a common understanding so that everybody in the group should agree. There is no forcing way. If there is any way, it is the logical way. If you are logical, you can always make small changes. Somebody says this, you can add one more change. That is all. But the complete picture has to be logical. And the moment you do that, you automatically come up with a good story. And the moment you do that, you not only sound acceptable to all, and that is good. याद रखिए कि कॉमन तार्किक रूप से आपको कॉमन लॉजिकल होना है, और जब आप ऐसे होंगे तो आप एक शानदार व्यक्ति बन जाते हैं, क्योंकि आप समूह को लेके चलते हैं, बुद्धिमानी को लेके चलते हैं, अपने आत्मविश्वास को लेके चलते हैं, अपने नेतृत्व क्षमता को लेके चलते हैं. तो अगर आप इन सब चीजों को लेके एक सामान्य एक निष्कर्ष पे पहुंचते हैं और उसको आत्मविश्वास से पूर्ण करते हैं, बहुत अच्छे। आप में से हो सकता है somebody will be told to conclude, so you should stand up and give, or if the other is doing, let him do, or if others tell you that you do it. किसी भी परिस्थिति में आपको हिचकिचाना नहीं चाहिए, ना ही किसी और को बोलने को दिया जा रहा हो तो उससे लड़ना चाहिए। Yes, we have detailed things everywhere written down. In our psychological workbooks which we are giving you enough practice which will open your mind forever. याद रहे, वर्कबुक आपके दिमाग को खोलेगी. It will be having the details, but it will also regularly tell you how you can run your mind. Remember, if you run your mind to logical fluidity, then you are going to be very dynamic, you are going to be very impressive, and you're sure to get recommended. ये याद रखिए. अगर आप लॉजिक को अपना दोस्त बना लेते हैं, बुद्धि को अपना दोस्त बना लेते हैं, तर्क को अपना दोस्त बना लेते हैं और अपने आत्मविश्वास से इन दोनों दोस्तों को लेके चलते हैं, तो आपकी जीत निश्चित. चलिए, लेट्स गो डाउन टू द अदर पार्ट. ये देखिए, आपको डे 2 में एक साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट होगा, थीमेटिक परसेप्शन टेस्ट, जिसको स्टोरी राइटिंग बोलते हैं, जिसमें विभिन्न प्रकार की तस्वीरें दिखाई जाए. There will be different stories shown to you, 12 of them, and all of them will be identifying your different elements which have influenced your personality. आप व्यक्तित्व को क्या क्या चीजों ने प्रभावित किया उसको चिन्हित करें. Look at this. This is a negative picture which is shown to you to see how you will react to negativity. अगर आप इस प्रकार की नेगेटिविटी के साथ देते हैं तो जाहिर है आप नेगेटिव. If you are supporting this kind of negativity, you are negative. And if you are indulging in it, worse. But if you are knowing solution to it, good. Similarly, there is another picture where someone is running away. How you perceive, what you do, that will be considered. Similarly, the third is of a dead man person. They will identify how mature you are to take the future incidents in rhythm. कई लोग अपने करीबी जन की मृत्यु के बाद बिल्कुल असहज हो जाते हैं. They become very uncomfortable and they become bad to us. So that is something which should not happen in your case. Then there is one person not getting any vacancy, not getting anything. So this is a case of hopelessness. There are some fighters and there are some losers. There are some confusion creators. There are some nonsense persons also. Everything will be identified by these type of stories. Similarly, there is one story about your one-to-one personal life where man and woman is walking, they will identify your personal life. Similarly, they will show you a situation on village, they will identify your perception, how you think for development of others, how you can correlate for others, they will identify. Similarly, they will give you a situation of victory. They will identify where you did victory, what inspires you to victory, what motivates you, what gives you from energy within, so that you have that extra charge to perform. Then you get a picture of a person sitting in with the gun. They will identify how you are looking forward to the armed forces, what is your expectation to the armed forces, or what is going to be your reaction to the enemy of the country. They will identify that. They have given a picture of a group sitting together. They will identify how you behave in a group, how you write a story in a group, and they will identify what you basically believe. Then there is a person leaving and a person is sending them off. They will identify how you behave with your family, what is the emotions you share with the family. They will identify that. Then they see a person standing in NCC headquarters or something. Now here they will identify your ability to imagine different situations and relevantly use your wisdom to logically correlate with that new picture. वो नई पिक्चर के साथ किस तरीके से अपने आप को कोरिलेट करना. Then they give you a blank picture. In the blank picture, they will identify how you will imagine, how your unconscious mind, how your normal behavior will come out with a natural story, which is part and parcel of your past, or part and parcel of your thinking, or part and parcel of your learning. So all these things they will identify. Thus, they will come to know what kind of person you are in terms of your approach. If you are a positive person, if you don't have any strong frustrations, if you are a person who is logical, if you are a person who is confident of self, you will reflect yourself in most of the pictures. But if you are hideous, you are hidden personality, you will talk big things in all of the pictures. Okay, now for service-centric professionals, one thing which is very important, there are similar type of stories where family is being covered, negative situation is being covered, dead body is being covered, other things are being covered, will be shown to you. But some more stories related to unit, related to drill, related to some kind of operations can also be shown to you. इस प्रकार की तस्वीरों को मिक्स कर देंगे ताकि आपका देखेंगे कि आपके अनुभव में कार्य प्रणाली में आप किस तरह ऑफिसर के साथ काम किए. बट रिमेंबर ऑल दी स्टोरीज आर कॉमन फॉर ऑल बिकॉज ह्यूमन इमोशंस आर कॉमन. हर व्यक्ति का परिवार होता है, हर व्यक्ति की एक नकारात्मक परिस्थिति में एक सोच होती है, एक रिएक्शन होता है जटिल परिस्थिति में. इन डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन ही रिएक्ट्स डिफरेंटली. देयर आर सम नेगेटिव इमोशंस, देयर आर सम विनिंग इमोशंस, देयर आर सम आर्मी इमोशंस, देयर इज सम one-to-one emotions. These are all different parts which you pick. Even sometimes they will show you a person playing in the field for the service person. So they will see how you play in your matches, how you win, how you do your PPT, etc. can be written. There is a complete section for your training. Please go ahead, read them and learn from them. Yes, we are also coming up with workbooks which will help you prepare yourself thoroughly. And there will be a separate section also for service centers. Remember that. Now when we come down to psychology tests, in word association tests, we give you different words, which are positive, negative, neutral. 20 positive, 20 negative, 20 neutral. Now positive words are like success, leader, courage, determination, optimism. In sentences, though these sentences are not what I proposed, but these are example sentences. He succeeded through confidence, leader inspire others by example, courage helps. You write, and this they come to know. He will help you train your mind so that your mind gets fluid with thought. हम आपको अच्छे से दिमाग को तंदुरुस्त करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि आपके विचार बिल्कुल लयबद्ध हो जाए और अच्छे निकले. क्योंकि हमेशा याद रखो, good thinking has certain principles. And if you practice those principles over a reasonable time, you get a right thinking order also. अच्छा सोचना भी आ जाता है. अच्छा क्यों नहीं हुआ, चलिए मैं उसको भी बताता हूँ. People did not develop a good thinking because they were not corrected by the parents timely. कई बार माता पिता, मैंने एक परिवार में देखा, उनके पिता हर चीज में जो कहा सही है, तो उसका नतीजा ये हुआ कि सब हुड़दंग कर. And they tend to not only influence their family with hoodlum, they also influence other people and also the relatives which are attached to them and also the other people whom they are getting associated with. Because bad master, bad prime minister can destroy a country. Look at the example of Vladimir Zelensky. His decisions have destroyed Ukraine. So you have to have right leader. And that is exactly what happens via parenting. Then by teacher, bad principal, bad teachers, then negative friends. You see the example of Sanjay Dutt. दोस्तों की संगत में ऊटे पटांग कर रहे हैं, उसको अच्छा तो नहीं कहा जाएगा. हाँ, he is sitting in a powerful position and हमारे देश में जुडिशरी घंटी बजा रही है. So that is why everything, all these people in spite of their difficulties, they are using the judiciary and getting away with all their nuisance. When money becomes power, money becomes everything, the nation goes to doom. तब देश बर्बाद हो जाता है. खैर, slowly everybody is realizing, including America and other countries. So I hope that social order comes back to shape. But this is how it is. तो but हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो इस मामले में उस तरीके से अनुशासित है. We are disciplined. That is why आर्म फोर्सेस, इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस वाले लोगों को हर जगह सम्मान मिलता है. क्योंकि हम लोग लालची नहीं होते, हम अनुशासित होते हैं, हम काबिल होते हैं और हम हर जगह एक नैतिकता से काम करते हैं. वी वर्क विद वैल्यूज. सो रिमेंबर दैट. नाउ पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स दे स्पीक, उससे भी पता लगा लेते हैं आपकी एटीट्यूड क्या है. नेगेटिव वर्ड्स वो आपकी फ्रस्ट्रेशन, आपकी न्यूसेंस लर्निंग, वट एवर इट इज, वो फेलियर, फियर, एंगर, डिसिप्लिन, स्पीड, पेन, ये सब से भी सेंटेंसेस निकलते हैं. You identify that. Once this is also done, then you come down to neutral words. Neutral words आपकी जिंदगी को पकड़ते हैं कि बुक आपसे कितनी जुड़ी है, आप स्कूल से क्या सीखे, ब्रिज में क्या, मतलब all these kind, family, games, all these are neutral words, but they speak of you. They identify you. And if you don't want to express themselves, express yourself in them, अगर अपने आप को अभिव्यक्ति नहीं करोगे इन सब वर्डों में, तो कैसे वो जानेगा कि दिल से लिख रहे हो. और अगर कोई दिल से बात नहीं कर रहा है, अपने मन को छिपा रहा है, the person is hiding the personality. So then it will be wrong. Now why you are hiding? Because you are not aware of your strength. You are not aware what to express, what not to express. That is our job, to identify what is your strength and then tell you how to express it. हमारा यही काम है गाइडेंस का कि हम आपकी शक्ति को पहचाने और आपको सिखाएं कि कैसे उसको अभिव्यक्त करना है. How do you express it? Now yesterday I did a talk show in which we talked about identifying self, defining self and expressing self. अपने को पहचानना, अपने को परिभाषित करना और उसके बाद अपने को व्यक्त करना. ये 3 चरण है जिससे व्यक्तित्व का विकास होता है. These are the 3 steps which help in creating a personality. But you have to first sit down with yourself and identify. That is very important. Same thing, we are going to help you there, but carry on. In the other following sessions, you learn how to react to right words, how to think positively, how to direct your thoughts, and how to be fluid with your thoughts. The moment you learn this, you not only learn how to use your brain, but you become a positive person also. A complete personality. That is what the process is all about. वर्कबुक में बहुत अच्छी तरह आपका ये लाभ मिलेगा. You will learn a lot. Wish you good luck. Let's go further. साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट पे आइए. दूसरा साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट है आपका सिचुएशन. तीसरा वर्ड भी हो चुका. वर्ड इज कंफर्मेटरी, क्योंकि जो जल्दी आएगा. What is word? I'll take you back. I'll just make you understand this once again. ये जो वर्ड टेस्ट है, वर्ड एसोसिएशन टेस्ट, ये कंफर्मेटरी है. जल्दी जल्दी आएगा तो आपके मुंह से स्लिप हो जाएगा और उससे वो आइडिया ले ले. I keep talking very nicely and suddenly I slip and abuse. Many of you will only notice that abuse. You will not pay attention to my entire class, how intelligently compiled it was, how knowledgeful it is, but you will pick up my abuse and you will say that the teacher is bad. He uses abuse. Now that's human nature. We write good things, but if we slip negative words, it is picked up. Okay, let's come back to the situation reaction. In situation reaction test, they'll give you one traveling to train. He notices on suspicious unclaimed bag under the seat. Now what is your reaction to it? They will identify. You give an answer, they will identify whether you learn. कुछ लोग गैर जिम्मेदार हैं. They are careless. They don't care. मैं क्या करूँ? And suddenly it blasts off. He also goes away. That's wrong. But there are some people who are ultra conscious. The passenger just left for getting the water and he's doubting why has he done it. So now don't be too much doubtful as well as don't be too careless. Be cautious. ये बात. So maturity is the game. एक और situation ये during training scheme में get injured badly and starts bleeding. Armed forces वाले हो, एक चोट लग गई तो मदद करोगे ना कि क्या करोगे? Simple. Now you know one thing funny, particularly service entry people, you overreact. Sometimes you do too much. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to do what is relevant. उसको एक चोट लग गई, खून निकल रहा है, तो ले जाओ MI room, get him bandaged, give him kit back, get him the proper thing. Now you will rush him here, you will take him to ICU. Overreaction. Why? Because normal. How can you go into negative thinking? अगर आप ओवर रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं इसका मतलब या तो आप ड्रामेटिक है या ओवर थिंकर एंड यू आर गोइंग टू नेगेटिव साइड. सो डोंट डू दैट. नेक्स्ट The senior only blames him for a mistake he didn't commit. Now you tell the senior, mind your own business. No, this is not the approach. Misunderstanding होती है, practical person जानता है, then they will solve it rightly. Now this is the approach, authority, maturity. Next we come down with a different test, that is self-description. Then SRTs you will get 60. That was only 4 or 5 which we have given you, but there will be 60. किसमें? जैसे SRT, let's go back. SRT में आपको 3 नहीं, कई सारी मिलेंगी, 60. And in 60 they will give you different situations. और वो आपकी situations, आपकी unit, आपके attitude, आपकी चीजों को खंगालने के लिए बहुत है. They are enough to identify how you react day to day. अगर आपकी consistent reaction है, mature reactions है, relevant है, it's going to be fine. So now you have to go into that detail, study the chapter and make yourself strong. Now we come down to the next one. You come across a self-description test. Now this is one thing which is very funny in our world. Everybody is living in a fool's paradise. एक अपने ही जहन में रह रहे, उनको यही नहीं मालूम वो उसके लिए काबिल है नहीं है. और जब कोई व्यक्ति अपने को पहचानता नहीं है तो सुधरने के सवाल ही नहीं होता. The moment a person will not identify weakness, they will not work on the weakness. They have never thought over their weakness. They have never thought on their strength. There are some people who are very strong, very talented, but they have been discouraged by critical nonsense of others. So what do? They are worried, they don't think. And as a result, what happens to them? They waste their talent. So don't do that. If you are having some strength, enjoy it. If you are having some weakness, correct it. अभी भी समय सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन टेस्ट आपको पहचानने की बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करता है. आपका चेहरा बोलता है, आपके विचार बोलते हैं, आपका भूतकाल बोलता है, आपका वर्तमान बोलता है और आपकी सोच बोलती है. योर थिंकिंग, योर प्रेजेंट, योर पास्ट, your face, your behavior, your family credentials, your friends' company, they all speak, and this is how they identify who are you. And if you tell them rightly, they come to know that okay, you are talking something relevant. Is it clear? And this way your psychology test will get over. Now you will go into the GTU part. In GTU part you will have a group discussion. They will give you a topic. The officer will watch you from outside, give you a topic and tell you to do group discussion. The moment you do your group discussion, the way you talk, the way you look at others with side glances, the way you confidently express, the way you use your wisdom, the way you are cool, the way you are composed, the way you connect, सब लोग के साथ किस तरह जुड़ते हो, किस तरह बात करते हो, बात करने का लहजा, कॉन्फिडेंस, आपकी नेगेटिविटी, आपके देखने का तर्ज, आपका बिहेव करने का तर्ज, ये सब दिखाता है और सब बताता है कि आप किस तरह ग्रुप में मिलजुल के रहोगे. एटीट्यूड अगर ज्यादा है, अपने को बड़ा मानने की आदत है, इफ यू थिंक दैट यू आर टू गुड, यू आर एक्सीलेंट एंड अदर्स आर स्टूपिड, दैट इज द वर्स्ट क्वालिटी टू एक्सप्रेस इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन. कभी भी किसी को निम्न देखना, दूसरों को नकारात्मक देखना, अपने को बहुत अच्छा मानना is the worst thing to do in a group, because then the entire group will go against you and one day you will find that you are alone, standing totally alone. You are counting on some people that they will support you. When you mistreat them over a long period of time, they will not support you. Never they will not support you. And if you think you are mistreating one person, then others are not watching, others are also watching. They also will not support you. When you know that you can mistreat a nice man or a nice person or a nice girl of the group, then you will mistreat others also. इसी तरह सर्विस एंट्री में आपको अपने अच्छे व्यवहार को लाना है. और ग्रुप डिस्कशंस में it is not important to get your point as the main point. It is important to get all the points together and come to common conclusion, which includes one is your point also or your perspective. Enjoy the group discussion. Don't compete in the group discussion. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में लड़ने का नहीं, इसकी ट्रिक आपको फिर We will go in detail, you will learn everything, you will understand. Then we come down to group planning exercise. In group planning exercise, you will be given a model either down or a map in the wall or a model completely made, and the officer will tell you this is the situation. They'll give you to read that and you will be given 10 minutes to write. कि आप अपने situation का क्या solution सोचते हैं. This way they will see how you run your mind. They are giving you running mind. आपकी सोचने की क्षमता देखेंगे. Once you have written down, now you have some points. After that, they will begin your discussion and tell you to do some planning. There are some people who are very cunning that they don't think anything but they claim everything. वो करते कुछ नहीं, दूसरों की चीजों को काबिज कर लेते. तो उन प्रकार के लोगों के लिए ये एक्सरसाइज बहुत अच्छी, क्योंकि वो लिखित में दिखता है कि लिखा क्या था और काबिज क्या कर रहा है. So therefore, there should be sensibility in writing also. आप क्या लिख रहे हो, कैसे प्लान कर रहे हो, उसमें एक सोच होनी चाहिए, समझदारी होनी चाहिए. That is very important. And once you have written that, then you are discussing. फिर आपको discussion के लिए बोला जाता है. ये group planning exercise ये देखती है कि when you plan with a group, how accommodative, how flexible, and how focused you are for a good plan. Mind the word focus for a good group plan rather than your plan, my plan. There are many people who play very dirty games of my. When they realize the person is opposite them, they say, "We, now it is too late." Too late, too little is my word for these people. When you mislead a person over a long period of time, you have already suppressed the spring enough that it will now bounce back. So remember, try to be we approach in your group planning exercise. And when your group planning exercise has a we approach, then what will happen? You will all work as a team. You will all think for benefit of each other. You think my savings, my results, my points should be solid, you should go to doom. आप लोग बेकार जाओ, आप लोग अपना सब कर दो, आप बिगड़ो, बाद में मेरे से गिड़गिड़ाओ. ऐसा नहीं होता. सिमिलरली ग्रुप प्लानिंग में भी आप यही सोचते हो कि माई थिंग्स, आई एम द बेस्ट, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू अलाउ. दिस एटीट्यूड कम्स आउट वेरी क्लियर इन ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज. बट ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज में इफ यू आर अप्रिशिएटिव, इफ यू आर फोकस्ड कि हमें अच्छा प्लान बनाना है, सबकी सुविधा देखनी है, अच्छा से अच्छा करना है, दैट इज द गेम. सो ये टिप काफी है. कुछ लोग इतने में भी सिलेक्ट हुए हैं, बस उन्होंने अपनी सोच को बदला, समझदारी को जिंदा किया. दे हैव इम्प्रूव्ड देयर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एनीवे, स्टिल देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल्स and we are talking on that in coming chapters. We'll learn so that you can improve. Now we come down. There is an example here because many people confuse that. I don't understand what is group planning. They have given you there is a Palampur, Naukheda guest house, 10 km, 1 kilometer. They have given you distance parameter also so that you can visualize everything. Lonia station, Bindi Chowki, everything has been made. Then one example is there. You are a group of 10 students who are pursuing botanical studies. You have gone young, and as you will be to leave for the forest, you all were moving towards. Now they have given you n number of situations, yes or no? And once they have given you n number of situations, they want you to read how you will read all these situations, how you will make a mental image of what are the important things. You will be finding 5 or 6 problems. Keep it in your mind. They will also give you resources. Keep it in your mind. There will be hidden resources. Hidden means in the village there is something. In the boat there is something. आप देखिए hidden resources तो there is something. यहाँ पे ferry side है. Ferry side hidden resource. फेरी वाले लोग तो मिलेंगे. Guest house hidden resource है. Village नौखड़ा is hidden resource. गांव वाले लोग मिलेंगे. लोनिया स्टेशन hidden resource. यहाँ पे आप जा सकते हो. लोनिया से मदद ले सकते हो. You have got many hidden resources, and by using all these your resources जो आपको मिले संसाधन और जो hidden resources जो छिपे हुए संसाधन, जैसे गांव से लोग मिल जाएंगे, गांव से आपको दुनिया भर का सामान मिल सकता है। ये सब चीजों का यूज करते हुए यू विल बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई एंड सॉल्व दिस एंड देन यू विल राइट अ सोल्यूशन। जैसे कि इसमें लिखा है, as we arrive at this, we'll do this, then we will in this red meeting. Though these are all there in detailed group planning exercise. We have already given an example, but since a lot of people were having confusion, I told my team to add it up, to let them have an idea. There is nothing very special. It is natural. You can run your mind, and you should. सोचने की क्षमता आप में होनी चाहिए. You want to be an officer. That is, he visualizes. ये भी हो सकता है, वो भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. दिख नहीं रहा है, पर मन में सोच रहा है. And that's exactly what you are supposed to develop. You have it. There is nothing wrong with you. But sometimes in the forces, please pay attention. ये बात जरा ध्यान से सुनिए सभी लोग. You know, particularly service entry candidates, you do not get the chance to decide. So you sometimes leave the decision making behind. आपको मौका नहीं मिलता, तो आप धीरे धीरे डिसीजन मेकिंग के बारे में सोचना बंद कर दो और धीरे धीरे आपका दिमाग का वो टनल बंद हो जाए. पर आप में से बहुत सारे ऐसे भी हैं, people who see, observe, learn from the observation and appreciate from that कि ठीक अच्छा प्लान बनाया तो सर, that was a good plan. Sir also did this. This was also very good. वो एनालिसिस भी करते हैं. सर ने जो प्लान बनाया था इससे ही लाभ हो गया. This was the benefit in this plan. Now this way they learn, and these are the candidates who later become decision makers and later become officers because they keep learning. Observation is also learning. Now we come down to group tasks, the progressive group. Now in progressive group tasks, what you are there. And you will be told to do 4 tasks of difficulty level different. One will be very easy, then second will be more difficult, third will be more difficult, fourth will be quite difficult. Now what do you mean by difficult? There are only 3 systems. One is of bridge making, that is cantilever. One is of lever using, that also you know how to use a place without getting affected. And third is of rope. Now with all these 3 principles, there are many kind of combinations of solutions. कई प्रकार के solutions निकलते हैं. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना होता है, जमीन पे पैर नहीं रखना होता है, कुछ रूल गेम बना दें. उसमें 2 चीजें बहुत इम्पोर्टेंटली वो देखते हैं. How you are able to think, how you are able to work with cooperation with the team, how you worry for others. ये नहीं कि बस मैं ही कर लिया हो गया. Some people think it is the ideas which are important. No, it is the attitude which is important. Many people said, "Sir, how many group tasks are?" Come on, you don't have a visualization power. Don't join as an officer. There are many people who go to different coachings and all they learn is GTO tasks. But they do not know how to think. They do not know how to speak. They do not know how to participate in group discussion. They do not have impressiveness of interview. They have confusions in writing everywhere. And suddenly they have done excellent and progressive group tasks. Do you think they will get selected? No, no, no. The point is, your consistency is very important. Why it is progressive? Why is psychology test done before? Because that gives you a thinking, they get an impression of it. That GTO task done in the last because you get enough time to behave with the group, to mix with the group, and thus connect with the group. लोगों के साथ जुड़ने का मौका मिलता. अगर ग्रुप टास्क पहले हो जाता, आपकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं हो पाएगी क्योंकि आपको समझने का मौका ही नहीं मिला और ग्रुप के साथ परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाएंगे. और क्योंकि आपको ग्रुप में अडॉप्ट करने का मौका नहीं मिला, तो ऐसा नाइंसाफी नहीं चाहती थी. SSB never wants this, that they do want to give you a chance and yet expect you to do well. So they wanted you to first get adapting time and after that see how well you adapted and how you perform with the group. तो अगर आप ग्रुप के साथ अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे की परवाह करके, एक दूसरे की इज्जत करके टास्क को भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, I think you are getting selected. There are many people who had good attitude but no exposure and they got selected because they had good thinking power, good psychology, good, they did well in interview, so they did well there also. तो ये इसमें आइडिया से, बट ये दूसरों के साथ परफॉर्म करना, कुछ दिमाग लगा के रखना, if you just focus, if you listen carefully to the instructions, अच्छा, दो चीजें आप लोगों को दिक्कत करती है. एक, when you surrender beforehand कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊँ, because you think I will not be able to do because if I'll do best, otherwise I will not. तो आपकी आधी प्रॉब्लम वहीं से शुरू हो जाए. Second, while performing, you try to compare yourself with group members' performance. Don't do that. It is sum total performance with the group it is considered. आपको ग्रुप को सपोर्ट करना है, कंपैरिजन में नहीं आना है. अगर कोई अच्छा कर रहा है, शाबाशी दो, बहुत अच्छा है, ये वाला और अच्छा उसमें वो नहीं हो सकता. Okay, let's try this. Yeah. And your approach, if it changes, everything is done. Now for the service entry professions, understand, it is not a competition. It is a cooperative partnership. आप लोग में से कई लोग ये सोचते हैं कि इसको धक्का दो, मेरा आइडिया सुनो, मेरा अच्छा है, उसका खराब है, ये खराब. Don't do all that. इतने दिन तक यूनिट बटालियन कंपनी में सीखते क्या रहेगा? What did you learn in unit battalion company? That work with team, work as a team, work with cooperation, work with appreciation. Try to include everyone's point, try to speak your own point, but the purpose, one focus, to complete successful. तो आप में से बहुत सारे लोग कॉम्पिटिटिव हो जाते हैं, which is wrong. ना ज्यादा आगे भागे, ना ज्यादा पीछे रही. Don't be too front, don't be too back. इतने टिप्स भी बहुत हैं, but all the more tips, we've already done it in the coming chapters and you'll become confident. कहते हैं ना, पर्याप्त खाना खा लोगे तो स्वस्थ एनर्जेटिक हो जाओगे. सेम थिंग, यू गोट टू सर्व इट, बट दीज आर स्नैक्स विच आर हेल्दी. इतने में भी आपकी हेल्थ सुधर सकती है, बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू हैव अ चैप्टर which will make you more stronger. You can do that. Now let's go further. Individual obstacle task. Now for service entry people, we expect you to do excellently well. You should be able to do all the Burma bridge. You should be able to do rope climbing. You should be able to do this commando walk. Right, sorry, commando walk and tiger leap. Everything nicely. But there are some people who are clumsy. कुछ लोग फुअड़ होते हैं, वो कोई काम करते तो गिरते पड़ते करते. डोंट डू दैट. देयर आर सम पीपल हु पैनिक क्योंकि ऑफिसर खड़ा है. दिस इज द ऑफिसर, असेसिंग ऑफिसर स्टैंडिंग बाय. यू टेंड टू पैनिक एंड देन यू डू मिस्टेक्स व्हिच यू शुड नॉट. रिलैक्स एंड परफॉर्म. कई लोग प्लान नहीं बनाते. व्हेन दे आर सीइंग द टास्क, दे शुड क्रिएट अ माइंड प्लान. दे विल गो दिस वे एंड विल कम दिस वे. There are some people who run like this, run this, run this, run this. Don't do that. अपने काम को एक प्लान के हिसाब से करिए और जल्दी जल्दी करते हुए दोबारा भी राउंड मार लें, बहुत अच्छी बात. So you can do that and you must. Yes, point for the service persons के साथ कई बार जो son है, dependent, they also should be able to do this because they have opportunity of exposure. सिविल वाले थोड़ा कम कर पाते तो उनसे मेरी दरखास्त है, घर में स्किपिंग करा करिए, रनिंग करा करिए और थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिस करें और डरे ना. टाइगर लीप इज टू चेक योर फियर. कमांडो वॉक इज टू चेक योर फियर. आप में से जो डरपोक है उसका डर दिख जाएगा, इसीलिए बनाया गया. सो बेसिकली दिस फिजिकल ऑब्स्टिकल टास्क, इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल टास्क या रेस, इसको IUR रेस भी बोलते हैं, वो इसीलिए बना है क्योंकि आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए. सॉरी, रेस नहीं, ये टास्क है. इसमें अलग अलग ये आपको देख के दे सी. नाउ लेट्स गो फर्दर. इसके बाद आपकी आती है ग्रुप ऑब्स्टिकल रेस, स्नेक रेस. राइट, इसको स्नेक रेस भी बुलाते हैं, ग्रुप ऑब्स्टिकल रेस. ग्रुप को अलग अलग 5-6 जगहों में दीवार में चढ़ना, पाइप के बीच में चलना, 8 सिग्नेचर, 8 का साइन बनाना रस्सी की मदद से, एंड समटाइम्स क्लाइंबिंग द स्पाइडर वेब. All these kind of things they have to do with the rule, care for each other. helping each other. Now this guy is a heavy person, two people have climbed up and they are supporting. This is the spirit. You have to identify. सबको लेके चलना है. Don't have to get irritated. What a fool you are. No. Work as a team. There is no one fool. There is no one good. Plan. इतने दिन में आप फिजिकल एफिशिएंसी देख चुके. किसी को आगे रखिए, किसी को पीछे रखिए. If there is a heavy person, he is not going to climb the wall. So one person should go up and the other should push him. See what they're doing. Care for each other and time to time motivation is important. Do you want to see your cheerful spirit मुस्कुराते हुए सबको बिना तनाव के helpful. Now that doesn't mean like smiling like a clown, but smiling naturally or being cheerful. ये बात याद रखिए. Now we go down to the next half group task. Full group PGT हुआ था. इसके बाद half group task में क्या हुआ? Now instead of 10, you are now 5. So now they are getting enough opportunity to see you closely. Now one person is doing it, the other 2 or 3 or 4 are helping. Now you will get more opportunity to apply your ideas and show that you have adjusted well to the group. आप ग्रुप के साथ ही नहीं एडजस्ट हो गए, ग्रुप के साथ लय भी बना चुके हो और ग्रुप के साथ डिसीजन लेने में आसानी है आपको. यू आर एबल टू वर्क. 10 में अमूमन परिस्थिति में इन नॉर्मल कंडीशन you are not able to create that amount of cooperation, but in 5 you can do it. Now you have to study again. I'll say these are all the exposures which you have to understand. You have to understand what is to be done, or you can study more detail later. Now we come down in lecture. Now when they tell you to give lecture, your way of confidence, your communication, your thinking, that has to be done. कई बार हमने देखा, आप में से खास तौर से कई लोग, they are very good listeners, very obedient person, बहुत अच्छे हैं, पर लेक्चर में बहुत कमजोर. Remember, good speaker commands. Look at our honorable Prime Minister, look at our CM, look at our other people, look at the Home Minister, look at the other ministers, look at our honorable External Affairs Minister, Subramaniam Jaishankar. Because of his speaking ability, calmness, composedness, he has won many hearts. Unfortunately, it is very uncommon, जबकि it is very easy to do it with practice. अगर आप अच्छी practice करेंगे, you will become excellent speaker. People say, wow, he spoke so well. He gave the right elements. The elements are always there, but there is no one to deliver. हमने किसी को कुछ कहा, उसको सुनाई कुछ और दिया, काम कुछ और हो जाए. And what am I supposed to do? Deliver right to you. इसीलिए लेक्चरेट में आपकी कम्युनिकेशन पावर देखी जाती है. We are ready to be lenient, but not too lenient. हम लोग थोड़ा रखते हैं क्योंकि ट्रेनिंग में आपको सिखा लेंगे, बट इतना कमजोर नहीं लेंगे. और याद रखिए, कम्युनिकेशन पावर अगर लेक्चरेट में डेवलप करेंगे आप, लेक्चरेट के आधार पर यू विल डू वेल इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन, यू विल आल्सो डू वेल इन इंटरव्यू, क्योंकि बोल तो पाएंगे अपने राइट टोन में. सो प्लीज स्टार्ट विद दिस. आई हैव स्पेसिफिकली सेड एवरीवन, go down to your website, nothing to do with me, but still I appreciate that. groupdiscussionidea.com, you get a lot of topics and prepare that. तो आपने लेक्चरेट देना है कितनी देर? 3 minutes. 2.5 में वो रिमाइंडर and 3 minutes is all you have to speak. तो उसमें आपको लॉजिकल, we have added a chapter called lecture architecture. You will use that, you will learn how to develop it, and we are adding more examples in it for your lecture architecture. 10-15 उदाहरण के बाद you will become champion. So keep working, service entry professionals, please. Now comes individual command task. In individual command task, they will give you one person with 2 helpers. You have to do different things. Though this is kind of structure just to show you a picture. But here you are made the commander, and you are told to get 2 people or maybe more. Some places more भी बोल देते हैं, वैसे ज़्यादातर habit and practices of 2 people. Take 2 people and get the things done. अच्छे से बनाना, solution करना, complete करना. Your working mind, your ability to read, your ability to get everyone together is checked here. और इससे आपकी एटीट्यूड देखते हैं, देखते हैं आप किस तरह बात करते हैं. There are some people who become arrogant. There are some people who become very weak. No, we want balance. We want you to be a captain kind of leader, not a journal kind of leader. Captain means one who is working with examples. Get involved, care for your people. खैर इसमें बहुत सारे points आपको आगे मिल जाएंगे. Final group task. In this, now what happened? Many people during this exercise, कुछ लोग दूसरों की परफॉर्मेंस देख देख दुखी हो जाते. They become very unhappy. They feel they are useless. There are some people who lose their confidence. There are some people who analyze and kill their confidence. अपने को एनालाइज करके अपने कॉन्फिडेंस मार देते. You should never do that till the whole exercise is complete. If you do not have sustenance power to keep your positivity alive and motivation level high, how will you do anything for a long time in life? जिंदगी में अगर दूसरों को देख के, दूसरों के कमेंट सुन के, या इंटरव्यू में कुछ थोड़ा पॉइंट गड़बड़ हो गया, उससे आप हतोत्साहित हो गए, तो क्या होगा? जब आप फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क तक आएंगे तब तक आपका चेहरा डाउन हो जाएगा. किसी ने नहीं किया, आपने खुद अपने आप को किया, क्योंकि आप नेगेटिव है. यू मे पोज यू आर पॉजिटिव बट यू आर नॉट. You are comparatively killing your confidence. You are feeling jealous by seeing others. You are not focusing on your performance. तो ये आपको सुधारना है. फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क तक आपको चेयरफुल रहना है, अच्छे से परफॉर्म करना है, और ग्रुप अब तक आपको पसंद करने लगा. People in the group do not like dominative people because everyone is there for selection. वो आपका सिलेक्शन नहीं देखने आए, अपना सिलेक्शन कराने. तो वो लोग सब चाहते हैं कि ऐसा व्यक्ति हो जो मिलके साथ के जीते. One who wins as a team. So they want you to be like that. So if you are cheerful by now, you have been encouraging to all, you have been nice to all, they will accept you. These tips are enough to get you selection. But detail, yes, in other lectures you will get completely. And you should practice. There is a final GTO discussion also. Sometimes the GTO sits down and asks you, so how was your experience? What did you learn? Now there are sometimes at this time, people talk something stupid in the GTO, or talk something foolish, or they do not know the limit, or they talk something which is irrelevant. Now this becomes unfortunate. ये कभी कभी गलत हो. आपकी ये बेवकूफ़ी आपको ले डूबती है, because the GTO uses it as a attitude of yours. So you have to speak relevant. इसका ये भी मतलब नहीं कि आप GTO से कुछ बात नहीं करेंगे, पर सोच समझ के बात. Talk what is relevant, whatever he is asking. कोई चीज सीखी हो, ऑब्जर्व करके करें. Remember your manners, etiquette, your balance, particularly from the service persons and also for the dependent of service persons. Both of you remember, you have already lived in that environment and you know what is respect, giving respect all parts. So do that. Now you come down to the interview. Now in an interview, an officer, here they are showing 3, but generally it is 1, or maybe 1 more sitting behind. And that senior officer is competent enough to identify. In the interview, there are number of questions you will ask. Generally, a healthy interview goes till 40, 45 or 1 hour. Sometimes it goes little more. But very short interview, say 10 minutes or less. Either will be a clear-cut selection case or a clear-cut rejection case. The candidate must be looking too weak or maybe looking too prominent. So it happens when person, like for example, there are some toppers who were excellent, but they were having fever. Within 15-20 minutes, the interviewer asked them few things and sent them off. But he was selected. Why? Basically because the attitude, the language and the illness was taken into consideration. But generally the interview lasts 40 to 1 hour. And 1 hour में आप में से बहुत सारे लोग जब मेरा ही लेक्चर 15-20 मिनट में इधर उधर भागने लगते हैं, तो आप 40 मिनट 1 घंटा कैसे करोगे? How will you do it? Because in 15-20 minutes you get tired of a lecture. So how will you sustain yourself 40 minutes to 1 hour. And in 40 minutes to 1 hour, interviewer checks everywhere. All the CIQs, we have already posted that. They will go into your family, they will go into your school, they will go into your friend, they will go into your education, they will go into sports, they will go into your hobby, they will go into your extracurricular, they will go into your responsibility, they will go into your current affairs, they will go into your international awareness, everything. Sometimes geography also. So they identify you as a person. They give you rapid fire to check how good is your grasping power. Rapid fire questions होते हैं, दर पूछ लिए, so they check your grasping power. If you are poor at it, please develop. Why don't you want to practice? If you want the benefit of being an officer, okay, you don't want to be, you want to be a competent person in the society, why did you want to evolve yourself? Why didn't you become shy? I'm there to support you. Our channel is going to have other officers to support you. There is no problem. We are creating a digital version. We'll knock at your door. Just wait for a month or so. We'll knock at your door. We'll help you. But you have to be ready to welcome us. आपको सीखना है. Interview, there are a lot of things to study. You'll get it in the chapter. So please remember. And this can happen any day. After screening, maybe on the GTO day, or maybe on the last day. Conference, you will all sit down in front of the officers. There will be person walking one by one. They will identify. They will ask you a few questions. And this way, they will check you. There are some people who are borderline kids. They will give questions to them. कि आपको कौन अच्छा लगा, क्यों अच्छा लगा. They will give you a situation also. Suppose there is a situation like this. So idea is to see how you think, how you react, how you have confidence to say. सब कुछ देखा जाता है. सामने ऑफिसर आपके बैठे होते हैं, बाकी भी ऑफिसर आपके साथ बैठे होते हैं. All of them analyze you and then they give the result. And then the successful candidates will go for form filling. आपके कुछ फॉर्म्स होते हैं जो जनरली हर जन के होते हैं. आपने फॉर्म फिलिंग किया. If you are for the Air Force, now the pattern has changed. पहले PABT, NSBT पहले होता था. अब they have got NSBT and pilot aptitude test for the selected recommended candidates. उसमें से आपकी flying अगर होनी है तो you can do that. But in case it is not there, then you go directly for your medicals. Is it clear? The process समझ में आ रहा है दोबारा? And what is expected out of you is also clear. Our service entry. Okay. Then when you have cleared your file, so what is this test about? ये जो NSBT and medical test, ये आपके reaction test होता है. आप कितना अच्छा react. I have very clear suggestion to all of you. But if you have an innate reaction of quick reflexes, then you go ahead and join the Air Force. If you don't have that quick reflexes and you take too much time to monitor the video games, I would advise, I request that you should go for Army and other Navy, but not Air Force. Reason being, imagine you are got selected, somehow done training also, and you are at the flying high. And suddenly, because of no tendency of quick reaction, you are not able to react to your engine trouble in the sky, then it will be a very sad affair. And we always request people having good reaction time. So the last thing which we need to understand is about our medical tests, which we have. All these recommended candidates will go through medical tests. Many of them, आप लोग सर्विस एंट्री वालों का कई बार within 6 months हुआ है. There are certain lenient possibilities, but generally a complete medical test is done and you will have to go through it. And after that, it may take 3-4 days, 7 days, whatever it is, dependent. Now what we are also telling you one thing, that we are all coming up with a very good cognitive workbook which will help you improve your thinking, your practice, and thinking practice, and also concept practice, so that you can become a complete person. There is no formula for success, but we have identified the thought process for success. We have identified how you can automatically accept the logic for success. So the workbook will help you a lot. will be coming soon in the end of May. We look forward to provide you all, and you can certainly, after we come to know about it, we'll certainly intimate you, and thereafter you can book or you can utilize or whatever it is. So thank you so much. I hope you've learned a lot from us, and it is arriving soon, and this is what La Militaire Academy is all about. It is all there trying to reach you, trying to help you, and trying to bless whatever we can out of all these 3 decades of our knowledge, mentoring. All the other officers are also coming up in the digital platform soon, and they'll become a good helping hand for your success and an instrument, rather the tool for your success, key to your success, and we will be very proud of it to help you up. So service entry people, keep rocking, keep doing well, no point, don't worry about the border situation. Very soon things will calm down. Keep your spirits high, take care of yourself, very important this time. God bless you. Jai Hind.